Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change country currency on Temu. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Temu app. Make sure you have already downloaded it. Now tap on profile on bottom. Now here tap on this icon. So here you can go to the currency, and here you can see that there is no other option to change currency. So go back. And here tap on country and region. So here select the country, which currency you want to change. So for now let me select this country, Brazil, and here tap on switch to Brazil. So now again go to the profile and tap on this icon, and here you can see your currency changed to BRL. So in this way you can change currency on Temu. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.